Good morning. Welcome to Art of the Budget. My name is Nicole. My pronouns are she and her, and I live in the Pacific Northwest on the traditional unceded territories of the Coast Salish nations. And today we're doing a what I eat in a day. I just made coffee. I sometimes notice that my coffee, hey Violet, I sometimes, oops. We'll try a different spot. I sometimes notice that my coffee will get sort of like weak tasting, and what I notice is that I'll be adding more and more water. I use a small French press, and I'm only making coffee for one, so I only fill it halfway with two scoops kind of overflowing of coffee, and sometimes I'll add more water, and then sometimes I'll add, like, I like to add a good amount of almond milk in my coffee, but sometimes I'll add too much, so then I end up with a really bland cup of coffee. And so I've just been careful to use like only half of the French press and like a quarter cup of almond milk. Again, I do like my coffee milky and sweet. But yeah, I noticed that it tastes like a lot more delicious. And I always look for coffee that is medium roast and has like caramel, chocolate, and fruit flavors in the description, because I don't really like bitter coffee. I've probably mentioned it before, but I have no sense of smell. I never have. I was born without one. And so that means that bitter just ends up being really bitter to me. Not to say that I don't appreciate that quality when it's like balanced with the other tastes, but when like coffee or alcohol, for example, is so bitter, it's quite overbearing to me. So yeah, those are the things I look for a yummy cup of coffee. Other than that, I don't really stress too much about where my coffee comes from. I get fair trade when I can. I often get my coffee in bulk from grocery outlet, but when I can't find it there, I get fair trade coffee from the co-op. And again, I just look for those descriptors. Yeah, so I am having my usual breakfast of toast, egg, and cheese. Since it's been cold recently, it's November, late November right now, I've been adding to my breakfast either some like smushed up beans that I cooked in the slow cooker, or I've been adding some avocado just to give me a little extra nutrition and energy, because it's cold, you want something hearty to like carry you through to lunch. Today, of course, I'm home, so I can have lunch or second breakfast anytime I want. So I'm just going with my tradish, cheese, egg, and toast. And on top, I've got spike seasoning, paprika, and cracked black pepper. I recently got, actually not recently at all, a while back, I got a little like pepper cracker from the dollar store, and I have to say, like, it's really reinvigorated my delight with black pepper. So yeah, I've been using that in pretty much everything, and it's really, really yummy. I don't know if you could tell, but Miss Violet is here hanging out with us. So I'm just giving her a little pet while we chat. But anyway, I'll be back when I do something else today. Already before breakfast, I unloaded my kiln. A friend of mine put a load of work through. We are doing, along with a bunch of other local artists, a sale tomorrow. So this might be like a weekend thing, so I can show you some of tomorrow. But anyway, yeah. We're doing a sale tomorrow with some other local artists that my friend organized, and I'm really excited to share some of the new work I've been working on. I've been really busy, haven't made a ton of work, but I've got some cute stuff to sell. All right, I'll see you later when I eat something else. I will now be partaking in the elaborate laundry ritual called wear everything I own before doing laundry, and now I have to do it all in one day. Hey, I've been doing laundry all morning. My friend came and picked up her work and we made a plan for tomorrow. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong. And I have like half of this ginger beer sitting on my table from last night, and I just drank the rest. It was still fizzy and it was still delicious. And I think I'm gonna eat some lunch right now. I'm super hungry. All right, finally time to eat lunch. And now we're playing the like classic game of like, is this meal prep still good? It's probably good. It's probably fine. I have some spaghetti squash, some roasted Brussels sprouts, and some hamburgers with cheese on them from my meal prep this week. And I'm gonna eat some of this. It's kind of a lot of leftovers, frankly, more than usual. It was a short week because it's Thanksgiving holiday, and my state, weirdly, we get Thanksgiving and the day after Thanksgiving off as national or as state holidays. Wait, whatever, I work for the state, however that works. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna eat this now. This looks so amazing. I love it. Alright, while that microwaves, I'm gonna eat a bite of this pie that I made yesterday. It is a recipe I got off TikTok, and it is a apple crumb pie. Alright, I got kind of a shocking amount of laundry done. Whew, and all my linens and dish towels are in the washing machine now. All right, now I am having some pie. This is my apple crumb pie and my friend Megan's pumpkin pie. Okay, broccoli is still in the oven, but this is the final pasta with the Brussels sprouts and Romano cheese mixed in, a little sprinkle of Maldon salt and pepper on top. And I'm going to eat this, let the broccoli keep cooking. I'll eat some of that if I'm still in the mood with some lemon juice and salt. And if not, I will just save it for meal prep. All right, thanks for hanging out with me today. Right now I am standing in my kitchen eating some pie out of the container because I don't feel like dirtying a dish. So I'm going to eat a few more bites of this and then I'm going to wrap it up for the night. Thanks for hanging out and see you in the next video.